What a beauty, just arrived in. It is absolutely gorgeous with just 39,300 miles. Here we have an Audi A3. It's a 1.4 TFSI Sport COD. You may wonder what COD means. It's cylinder on demand technology. It is incredible. So it's a 1.4 with 150 brake horsepower, 60.1 miles per gallon combined. That is what the cylinder on demand technology does. So great performance and economy you get with it. 7-speed automatic. It is a sport saloon, looking absolutely gorgeous in Glacier white, which is a pearl metallic. It's a Glacier white metallic. When the sun catches it, it is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely huge boot on these. Just look at that. Massive boot. Lots of space there. Split folding rear seats. Lovely and clean, not been abused. You also get the spare wheel, all the toolkit there complete. Registered in January 2016. It does come with a private plate, so the neighbours will never know how old the car is. All the wheels in great condition, maybe the odd tiny little mark, but no big chunks out of them. Good tyres all the way around, plenty of tread. All down the bodywork is absolutely beautiful. No major dents, scratches, scrapes or dings anywhere. Of course there'll be the odd tiny stone chip or the odd mark, but this is why we do the videos, to show you we have nothing to hide. Full transparency. There's a close-up of the near side front wheel, so as you can see, in beautiful condition all across the front, lovely and clean. No major chippings at all. Again, this is why we do a full close-up, to give you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. Full transparency, nothing to hide. Full close-up of the driver's wheel. Again, as you can see, all undamaged, lovely condition. Plenty of tread on the tyre, all down the sides. Absolutely beautiful. And the final wheel, and we've just put a new tyre on there because the other one had got a slight little nick in it, and we don't chance these sort of things, so we make sure the car goes out right. We've just carried out a full service, so it is ready to drive away today. All the door trims in beautiful condition, no damage, no marks, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. All the headlining again in great condition. People always forget to look at the headlining, so just remember, if you are looking at used cars, just make sure the headlining is all in good condition. The driver's door trim, again, all undamaged. Electric windows, electric mirrors. The front sport seats. Additional support just under your legs, get it exactly comfortable however you want it. And again, all the trims, as you can see, all unmarked, undamaged. Front center armrest, USB input. $39,305. That's all it's done. $39,305. So extremely low mileage for its age, in beautiful condition. This car also has a couple of factory options. It's got the technology pack and the comfort pack. So the options are around £2,300 worth of factory fitted options in total. So quite a rare spec car, and of course, especially with the low mileage and the condition. Tronic automatic gearbox, which you can drive as a manual if you so wish, or just put it to drive, let it do its own thing. Very easy. Everything's all controlled from that little module there. So you've got satellite navigation, nice big clear screen, which does fold away out of the way if you don't want it shown up on the dashboard in front of you. Bluetooth connection. Little button, just swirl it round, takes you to whatever you want, and again you can set up the suspension to whatever ride you like. So comfort, efficiency, dynamic, individual. and again it just shows up in front of you as well on the dashboard of which mode you're in. It is so easy to navigate around. DAB radio. Again, just scroll through, just find the channel you like. Good sound system in the vehicle. Got a paddle shift gear change on the steering wheel. Cruise control and speed limiter. Various functions on the menu of the steering wheel with whatever you want to display in front of you.
Navigation.
So you've got voice activation as well, which does make life a lot easier to navigate or ring somebody or change radio stations. Much safer with that. So there we have it, our beautiful Audi A3 TFSI Sport with just 39,000 miles. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. We just need some details of your car if you want to trade it in with us. Easiest thing is to either pick the phone up and tell us all about it over the phone. Alternatively, on our website, go to the Sell My Page car and put your details there so we can give you a very accurate part exchange price and make it nice and easy for you to literally drop your car off and drive away with your new car. Great finance always available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP deal, low deposit, low monthly payments, and apply direct off our website. It literally is 5 minutes to do. So get it pre-approved, come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Ask us for full and further details how that operates. Read about our raving fans reviews and you understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. The phone number is 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.